Hello everybody. So this screencast is just showing you how to build a PowerSchool learning page that fits with our common expectations. So if you scroll down on this document to the third page, there are three different options, okay? And this link right here goes to this PowerSchool learning page, this one right here, and then each of these three options will be on here. Okay, so you're noticing that on option 1, sorry about that, option 1 right here, I am currently, sorry, it's on the first page, currently building this slideshow. So I have made this slideshow in Google Drive and it updates on here. This screencast is actually going to show up right on here. I'm going to embed it onto my Google Slide, and that way this slideshow will be a one-stop shop for today's lesson. So that's one option, one way that you can do things. Okay, you'll be able to click through the other three options and see them as well. Thank you.